Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find your wallet address in the Zengo app. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zengo app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log in with your account. If you do not have any account, you can create one easily. Once you are logged in, you will see this interface. Here you can see the arrow icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Now select the option Receive. You will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you have in your Zengo account. Tap on the cryptocurrency for which you want to find the wallet address. For example, let's choose Bitcoin. Just tap on Bitcoin. Here at the top, you can see the Bitcoin address. You can tap on this copy icon to copy it to your clipboard, and you can share it with anyone who wants to send you Bitcoin. Right beside the copy icon, there is a QR code icon. You can tap on it. Zengo also provides a QR code for your wallet address. If someone wants to send you Bitcoin, they can simply scan this QR code as well. Similarly, you can find the wallet address for every cryptocurrency. For example, if I select NFTs, it'll give me the wallet address to receive NFTs. Similarly for Ethereum, select the QR code, and there you go. Here is the wallet address to receive the Ethereum. So that's it, you've successfully found your wallet address in the Zengo app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.